Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Raya and thank you for tuning in today. And in today's video, I've got a little boohoo. What do I know? The H&M parcel hasn't arrived yet, so that'll probably be next week. But I got a couple of new things. I got some dresses for like wedding. Because I've got two weddings coming up, same family, and they're in the space of like one weekend to next weekend, and then I've got like a henna as well. So I'm just probably going to show you like what I'm going to wear for that. And they're actually, I think two of the dresses are maternity and some of them are not, and I've got some faux leather leggings. Anyways, I'm not going to ramble on so much, I'm just going to get into it. So bump date, by the way, I'm not wearing the bras, my boobs should probably be up here, but this is a dress that is not maternity. It was actually, it's over 10 years old. It's from H&M. It's one of their premium collection, but the fabric is like this, and I've got a really nice dress to show you as well. But this is not maternity, and it fits right over the bump. I'm wondering if it will fit when I get bigger, but yeah, this is, and it's like knee length as well. It actually used to be like right down to my shin, but this I can wear in the autumn with some boots. But anyways, I just wanted to show you because I found this and I was like, oh my stars. So the next thing that I got, I picked this up from Boohoo. Love the quality. It's the same kind of fabric as the other dress, and it actually comes with a cardi, so I'm going to show you that. But I just wanted to show you it like this. This is a maternity dress, but I feel like you can wear it like post maternity, and even like if you're not pregnant, then you might want to feel a little bit comfortable around this area, and it's quite flattering. It's quite a dressy dress, but I casualed it down by wearing some cowgirl boots. So I'm just going to put the cardi on. So it comes with this cardi, and I feel it has this in loads of colours. It was sold out in one of the colours that I wanted it in, but even if you just got this in a black or something like that, I wish it came in a chocolate brown. But you could wear it through and dress it up and dress it down, so like with the dress, without the dress, and some boots. I've got some boots here. You can wear them in military style boots, like rubberized boots, but I've got these ones here. These are from Next. I'll probably wear this more in the autumn, so I'm not really going to try it on, but I feel like this could work to kind of casual it down. But the fabric is a little bit dressy, so it's quite a dressy dress. It's more like an olive colour, and this is one of my favourites, and I love how flattering it is. And then I would wear it with my Louis Vuitton pochette handbag or clutch bag. I have got the pochette Matisse to kind of make it more casual across, but really if you're going out to dinner or whatever, then this would be a really nice outfit. Even just with these cowgirl boots, they're very roomy, very spacious. These boots are from SHEIN. I think I linked them a while ago. I'll link them anyways, and they're very comfortable and roomy. So even when you get bigger and your ankles and your feet start swelling, there's plenty of room in the boots. So this dress is from Boohoo, and it's got very much a square neckline, so be mindful with the kind of bra you're wearing it with. At the moment I've been hating bras because they've been sticking, like digging into me, so I've been wearing like kind of the non-padded ones, bra-like kind of bras. Anyways, this is a lovely dress, and it looks more expensive than what it is. It's more of like a bodycon fabric. It's a bit of a dressy fabric, so I wouldn't say this is like casual. So like if you wanted to wear this during the day, because of the material, it kind of switches up a little bit. So I paired it with the cowgirl boots because I just feel like that works. With this, like the colour, the tan, like if you don't know what to wear with certain colours like this, then definitely try tan. Tan and blue go so well. Same with the greens and navy, whenever in doubt. Anyways, I really like this dress, and I like how it's on the side. I don't know if this is meant to be on the back, but I've just put it on the side. This is the back bit. I love the back bit. And I'm not sure whether to keep this because I really need clothes and dresses to wear for the daytime, and because the fabric, it feels a little bit more, you know, more dressy, so I'm not sure. But the colour is everything. I love this on my skin tone. This colour is one of my favourite colours. I think if anything I could probably save it for a baby shower, but then I don't know if this is a girl or a boy yet, so I don't know. Now this next dress is not a new dress, it's a hand embellished dress from All Saints, and I'm going to try and link it because I feel like you could possibly find this, if not definitely a dupe. And it had a lining in it, which obviously doesn't fit anymore. This is in a UK 8 and it's meant to be a dress. And it used to be a dress for me, but now it's a top. You could probably wear it as a short dress. But at the back it's a little bit too short, so I think if I wasn't pregnant then obviously it would go a bit further, like a little bit longer to wear it. I've worn it with these leggings. Now this is more of a dressier haul, I don't think I mentioned that in the beginning, but I've got these maternity leggings and these are like a wet look coated. This is like a leather look, but these are more coated, I would say, these leggings. Like if you look at the back, it's definitely more coated, but I want some proper faux leather ones, like high-waisted faux leather. So I'm gonna wait until maybe a couple of months and get some, or maybe just get some in a haul, because I know I'm always gonna wear it. The only thing is when I'm not pregnant, maybe I can give them to my mum or someone. But yeah, these are really cool. I haven't put shoes on with them. They would look really nice with a nice pair of heels and like a handbag. I might wear this to henna. I've got a henna coming up, but I'm still not sure whether to wear this. But I very well might do with some stilettos. I know heels and pregnancy probably don't go well together, but I'll probably be sitting down most of the time. The back is not too far from where I live, so I think I'll just be fine. So I'll probably wear it. This bag, this has got gold hardware, so I probably want like something with silver on, but nonetheless I probably will wear this. The leggings, I was like, the crotch bit feels like it needs to go a little bit up. I'm going to try and knit this dress, but really I wanted to show you the leggings. This is definitely more of a dressier haul. So this dress is from Boohoo, and this is such a lovely dress. It's actually down as a bridesmaid dress, and it was around £80, which I didn't think was too bad for this type of dress. I'm struggling to do the back bit up, so it does zip all the way up. I've managed to do the clasp, and it's very sweet, it's very nice. I love the arms, like they're very airy, and what I really like in particular is the bead work on this dress. Very nice, and I've got one this. I've got this one in another colour. Thing is, I will have to take it to my dry cleaners to get it cut, or maybe I can cut it myself because it is a tulle fabric. Tulle, not tulle, but tulle. So I do like it, but it does feel a bit tight around the boobs, and I think it's because I'm wearing a bra, so maybe if I take the bra off, it would be better. It is a maternity dress, but I think you could wear this like anyways if you weren't pregnant, because it would just go right over your bump and it hides my bump if anything. So yeah, don't worry if you think, oh, it's a maternity dress, you know, it's not something I could get or wear. But no, I think it would be fine and just go over you, especially if you're conscious about this part of your body, and it just skims right over you. So this is the other dress that I got from Boohoo. Again, I can't do this up. I took my bra off and I just can't do it up. So I should probably go up a size in this because this bit feels a little tight. It doesn't feel awful, but I know when you eat, you're gonna expand, and I can't wear a bra with it because it's not doing up. But anyways, this is down as a bridesmaid dress, and it's actually hand embellished. So I think it's just great for Boohoo. I think the quality is very good. And now if you can see the colour of the sequins, I prefer the grey one. It just looks more like expensive, but then the colour of the tulle and this, I know I've got a matching handbag, I've got matching shoes that would go with it. But anyways, I think I'm gonna have to return it because I just can't do it up. So there goes that idea. So if you are looking for something dressy to wear for a wedding, then this could possibly be it. Maybe just go up a size. I could probably reorder in a bigger size, but I don't know. I might try and wear what I've got already. Like I've got the dress, the ZARA one, and then I've got another dress. I want to show you it, but I won't be able to zip myself up in it, so maybe if I do it tomorrow or later on, my husband can zip me up, then I can show you. And it's not a maternity dress. Now this dress is not new. I'm gonna find a dupe for you. This is a cutout. This was like, I think 2 years ago, maybe a year ago, from ZARA. The colour's so nice. I was just having a look for you, and I found a couple on Topshop, but it's not the same colour. So anyways, I will try my best to find something similar. So this is like a cutout, and I'm gonna have to do something. I think I might like maybe pin it or something a little bit, so it's like this, and maybe I'll tuck these in because I don't love these so much. And the reason being is because I've got this like shawl, this beaded shawl from my mum, and I've always loved it since I was really young, and so I think I'm going to just put that on. So this is a bit too low, the boobage, and it's actually a cutout, which is fine, a little bit of ventilation, but I think if I find a brooch or something that has like some dangly bits, then that will work. So one of the weddings will be in Surrey, and this is beautiful chiffon silk hand beaded scarf, or shawl, shall we say for the shawl. And this colour, I completely forgot about this dress, and I thought, oh my gosh, and this is beautiful. So I just got to be careful that nothing snags it, no jewellery or anything snags it. So, and then I've got a fluffy little bag that I can wear with this. So I think if I tuck, no, I'll leave these little ribbon bits out, and just if I can just pin this a little bit, like, and the colour goes so well. I completely forgot. I found, you know, the dress that I was wearing, I was like, oh yes, that would be great. This works so much better. It's a lot longer, so it's a maxi dress, and you have, losing balance here, and I have my fluffy shoes. Now, of course, if you're going to more of like an English wedding, then I would lose the scarf. But if you're going to like maybe a dressier, like Middle Eastern wedding or Asian wedding, then you can wear something like this. And I love how it gathers at the back too. Oh my God, I'm losing balance, but I've got this Dior ABC bag, and then I got this from Public Desire, which I love and goes with so many outfits. It would even go with the blue bodycon dress that I showed you guys earlier. So yeah, I would wear these two together. So I just wanted to quickly show you this outfit that I'm wearing for today. I've just paired it with, just to dress it up a bit. This is just a silk blend t-shirt from H&M, and I've got the leggings on. Now the leggings keep falling down a little bit, but I think I just need to kind of pull them up a little bit, and I did pick these up in an 8, so I'm thinking maybe they're a little bit small, but I always get leggings on this side. So I am just wearing these hoops. These aren't anything special, they're just from SHEIN. Glasses, bag, just to kind of dress it up a bit, and maybe a throw over. I'd probably want to wear a leather blazer, which I have, or a normal blazer. That's something that I'd probably wear to work as well. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the outfits and the looks, and just giving you some ideas if you have got any weddings to go to. I do have more of like a casual, more wearable haul coming up next week, but because I've got weddings coming up, 2 weddings and 1 henna, I just wanted to kind of show you guys what I've got, just to see what your thoughts are as well. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you soon in my next video. Bye.